Okay, let tan inverse x equal to theta. Obviously, this is not defined when x is 1 or minus 1, so we should avoid that. Okay, where x belongs to all real numbers except minus 1 and 1. And because of that, the theta belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 except minus pi by 4 and pi by 4. Okay, now x is equal to tan theta. When I put it here, I will get tan inverse 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Okay, which is tan inverse tan 2 theta. And here you can understand 2 theta will belong to open interval minus pi to pi except minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. Between minus pi to pi, tan inverse tan I cannot cancel. Okay, the principal values for tan are only minus pi to pi by 2. So I have to take minus pi to minus pi by 2 separate, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 separate, and pi by 2 to pi separate. So this is going to be tan inverse tan theta will be 2 theta if 2 theta belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. After pi by 2, if you look at tan inverse tan x formulas, I think it is x minus pi. So like that, it will be 2 theta minus pi if 2 theta belongs to pi by 2 to actually 3 pi by 2, but here only up to pi. And before minus 90, that is before minus pi by 2, tan inverse tan x formula will be x plus pi in our list of formulas. So 2 theta plus pi if 2 theta belongs to minus pi to minus pi by 2. Now correspondingly, what are those x values and all we have to identify. So this is equivalent to theta belongs to minus pi by 2 to minus pi by 4, which is equivalent to x belongs to, or at least tan theta belongs to, I can write, then I can write x. Tan theta belongs to minus infinity to minus 1. This is equivalent to theta belongs to minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, which is equivalent to tan theta belongs to minus 1 to 1. This is theta belongs to pi by 4 to pi by 2, which is equivalent to tan theta belongs to 1 to infinity. So finally, the formula for tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square, we know it is 2 tan inverse x, but only under some certain values. This 2 tan inverse x will come if x belongs to minus 1 to 1. Here we will get 2 tan inverse x plus pi if x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1. And 2 tan inverse x minus pi if x belongs to 1 to infinity. Okay, so for this finally this is a formula, but how those cases came, how to derive, because tan inverse tan 2 theta we cannot cancel and write 2 theta, as depends on which interval it belongs to, we have to change the formula. If it is within the principal values, no problem. Okay, in a similar lines, next I want you to derive tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. And also tan inverse 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So those who completed this, you can try next this one, next this one. Anyway, yesterday also most people they wrote notes very nicely, except 2 or 3 people. That was very good. But overall, Channareddy sir and myself are very, very happy, because even in the online situation where from 6-7 months we never asked about the notes. but many people maintain the notes. That is excellent. Okay, because if it is a physical classes, generally first 1 week will observe somebody, those who are not writing will tell them repeatedly, then they will write, but without ourselves reminding so much we wrote. That's excellent. Some people handwriting and the way things look tidy, okay, naturally may be there, but even then it requires a lot of interest to write. So that's very good. Somehow I was busy, otherwise I personally would have given some gifts to those who have maintained the notebooks very, very nicely.
You said that many times you'll give gifts, sir, to us.
Yeah, but last 3 days I was busy. Otherwise, it's a wonderful opportunity for me to give, because those who came, at least I could directly meet. Earlier, I wanted to give, but there is no opportunity.
So you can post it, sir, no problem.
Okay, okay. I'll take all of your addresses. Real, I thought of create one Google form. I'll send to you, and you have to send all your details. And if I want to send something, I can send by post.
Sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, 2 theta minus pi, 2 theta should be equal to pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, no, sir?
No, any subset of that is also okay, na? Okay, any part of that is also okay, because here only up to pi is there. We are talking about when 2 theta is between minus pi to pi. Within that, the sub cases.
So we are taking intersection of those two, sir. Almost.
You can say that, but basically within this, minus pi by 2 pi by 2, this is a formula. After pi by 2 till pi, this is a formula. Okay.
Yes, sir.
After pi by 2 till 3 pi by 2, or any part of that also same formula, right? Okay. Here I cannot go beyond pi because 2 theta is not going beyond pi.
Yes, I got it.
Listen, Tarak, clear? Okay. One more good thing that I observed in whomever I checked the notes, except one student that I came across yesterday, everybody wrote very nicely. One thing I don't like, it's not a good idea also. Normally in a notebook, some people draw a line like this and write here and write here. Okay. That doesn't look that good. Okay. Oh yeah, after all, another 2-3 notebooks extra. Okay. So only one student, handwriting is very good. Everything wrote very neatly. Only they're written like this, so it's not all that bad. But some people do some other thing. They write little bit, they put something here. They write little bit, they write like this. They write little bit. You know, it looks really odd. Okay. So that's, I'm very happy with that also. But out of all 5-6 notebooks, out of all I liked very much. Okay, in all aspects. That means they have good hardbound long pages notebooks with good quality white paper, and sometimes they are writing heading with one color or the question with one color, solution with one color very neatly, and writing dates and all that. Okay, I don't remember all the names, but 5-6 people I noticed. Okay. Yesterday, I remember Stigna wrote excellent. Okay, I even showed her notes to 1 or 2 other people. Okay, I can say so far that's the best notes I came across in this batch. Maybe some hostlers might have written well. I did not see. Okay, I'm going to erase this. Anybody has any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt. Okay. Okay, next one. Tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. We know for what x values it is not defined. Wherever denominator is 0, it is not defined there, which is 1 by root 3 and minus 1 by root 3. So all real numbers except minus 1 by root 3 and 1 by root 3. Similarly, theta's pi by 6 and minus pi by 6 have to be removed. Okay, x equal tan theta, and that tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square will become tan inverse 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta, which is formula for tan inverse tan 3 theta. Here I can write 3 theta belongs to minus 3 pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 except minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. Okay. So within minus 3 pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, the tan inverse tan I cannot cancel because of the principal values. So I have to break the integrals at 5, that is the intervals at pi by 2 and minus pi by 2. So it is 3 theta plus pi. If 3 theta belongs to minus 3 pi by 2 to minus pi by 2. The 3 theta, if 3 theta belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. And 3 theta minus pi, if 3 theta belongs to pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. Okay, this is corresponding theta is between minus pi by 2 to minus pi by 6. This is minus pi by 6 to plus pi by 6. This is pi by 6 to pi by 2. Corresponding tan theta minus infinity to minus 1 by root 3, minus 1 by root 3 to plus 1 by root 3, and 1 by root 3 to infinity. Okay, this is almost similar to the previous one. My son is asking, what is this?
Yes,
What are
sir.
these two standing lines, one sleeping line? What is that? He's asking. Okay, next one. Tan inverse 1 plus x by 1 minus x. If any part of that is not clear, visible or not clear, please ask anybody.
Sir, the first step one, can you tell? Once can you tell?
Let tan inverse
Means
x
the
equal
range.
theta. Range.
Range.
Basically, for what x value is defined, it is defined for all x values except where denominator is 0. That is when denominator is 0 at 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. So in the domain, all real numbers except minus 1 by root 3 to 1 by root 3. And if you take any number, any real number, when you find tan inverse x, it will be between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Because you removed these two numbers, you have to remove minus pi by 6 and plus pi by 6, 30 degrees and minus 30. Is it okay?
Yes, sir, understood.
Other part is clear, rest of the part?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to erase this.
Don't erase the bottom part, sir.
Okay. All right. So here let x is equal to tan inverse x equal to theta generally. Let tan inverse x equal to theta, where x belongs to all real numbers except 1 because denominator is 0 at 1. And corresponding theta is between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 except pi by 4. What to write here, I'll see later on. Now coming to this, tan inverse 1 plus x by 1 minus x is a tan inverse 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta, which is tan inverse tan pi by 4 plus theta. And here when theta belongs to this, pi by 4 plus theta will belong to, when I add pi by 4, this will be minus pi by 4, this will be 3 pi by 4, and this will be pi by 2. Okay. So between minus 45 to 135 means only at 90 I have to break the formula, because up to 90 degrees one formula, after 90 another formula. So this will be pi by 4 plus theta if theta belongs to minus pi by 4 to pi by 2. And after pi by 2 the formula is this minus pi. So pi by 4 plus theta minus pi if theta belongs to pi by 2 to 3 pi by 4. Actually pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, but within our values it is only pi by 2 to 3 pi by 4. But this is equivalent to, this is also not theta.
It should be pi by 4 plus theta belonging to minus pi.
Yes. Pi by 4 plus theta belongs to. And the corresponding theta will be minus pi by 2 to pi by 4. The corresponding theta is pi by 4 to pi by 2. And corresponding tan theta is minus infinity to 1. Corresponding tan theta is 1 to infinity. Okay, so finally our formula is pi by 4 plus tan inverse x if x belongs to minus infinity to 1, and tan inverse x minus 3 pi by 4 if x belongs to 1 to infinity. Okay, the seventh one almost similar, you can try, those are completed. Okay. Actually, I wanted to complete all these things on your own. Okay. I'm just writing because if some people are not able to do, at least they can copy and understand.
So basically, what we're doing is we're finding out the discontinuous points in this function and we're removing it from the function.
Yeah. Here it is discontinuous, whereas in the cos inverse we did not get that. It is continuous. But
Yes.
still formula changes there. Piecewise function. Here, because of tan inverse and because of denominator being 0, it is becoming the discontinuous. Okay, one more thing before I forget. I was telling some people individually, those who came for notes correction, to some students maybe, but generally I want to make this point. This JEE mains for your seniors, okay, they gave somewhat clarity that they are not going to reduce the syllabus, okay, but they gave some idea that instead of giving 25 questions, they'll give 30 questions and you can attempt any 25. Why like that? Because in this COVID situation, CBSE is reducing 30%. Some other states might have reduced some other chapters. They don't want to worry about all that. They want to give the full syllabus and say attempt 25 out of 30. If somebody says no, 5 questions they came out of syllabus, they said okay, attempt rest of the 25. Who's stopping you? Okay. So something like some practical idea they came up with. I liked it overall. How they will actually implement, I don't know the details. Okay, but the point is, for your seniors only, if they are not reducing syllabus, do you think for you they're going to reduce the syllabus?
No way, sir.
Okay. And the JEE Advanced, they are not going to reduce, they said already. And they're planning to keep 4 exams. For normally 2. One time in January before board exams, one time after board exams, 1. That also from last 2-3 years, not before that, last 2 years maybe. But this year, due to COVID situation, I think somebody may say I'm not well and I could not come and all these things are okay. So we are giving 4 chances. You at least any choice to write something like that. Okay. So February end they want to keep 1, March end 1, April end 1, May end 1, something like that.
These are monthly exams, sir. Like
no, full syllabus. You can write only once if you want. You can write twice. You can write thrice. You can write all 4 times. They will take best out of the whatever you write.
Just the 4 exams will write, which will get the nice marks, they'll take that only.
Yes. Okay. So that's what they want to keep. All right. For your batch, it may not be like that, but the present batch. All right. Okay. So for you in your second year, January, I think most probably mains exam will be as usual. Okay. So I'm quite worried about our first year. Normally by November end we complete the syllabus, but now we will be completing by January end only. Okay. So in second year, you will not have too much time to revise first year and all that. So those who are serious, it is your own responsibility. In the afternoons, you have a lot of time, additional time. You should be spending revising all the previous topics. For example, maths and determinants are over. You can do past year mains questions or advanced questions. Okay. Past year mains questions, I recommend you may have Disha book or some Senge, some past year mains questions, but that doesn't cover a good collection. Okay, Arihant also, because there is some JEE mains paper 2 questions also, they are not there in that. Few papers are missing in that. Okay, in essence, we typed all the questions JEE mains papers. We separated topic wise, and within each topic, formula order also we kept. Okay, That PDF I'll upload in the group. Maybe I already uploaded once earlier. I'll upload once again. But you try to do from that. But what I recommend is take one chapter, do it nicely. Take one notebook, another separate notebook. Put the heading whichever chapter you are doing past remains. Write one by one, and whichever you don't get, leave enough gap so that in a doubt session, Wednesday, something you can ask. All right, and we'll discuss those doubts. Okay. So I'm not forcing anyone, but those are serious. You should be completing your regular mains homework, advanced homework on all the tracks. Still, you should find every day at least 1.5 hour additional time and work on the previous topics. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Those who work like that, they will do very well at the end. It may not immediately see the result. At the present second year, with 6 students I'm working, from the last 6-7 months, every day I'm asking some additional work and they're sending in WhatsApp and I'm following that. Now they're doing extremely well. They remember all the first year topics are thoroughly revised for them now, because for them, not ASB, but another section where we're going to complete the syllabus by December end. Okay. And they are going to write the mains exam by February end. So we hardly got 5 weeks to revise first year and second year. Okay. So those who are not revised till now, it will be a very problem. How will you revise 5 weeks, 30 chapters in maths, both first year, second year? Very difficult. Hardly you'll get half day for each chapter to read the formulas, to practice the questions and all. So those are working continuously. Some additional work, they are more comfortable. All right. Anyway, I don't want to spend too much time talking about them. Okay, so 7th one you might have completed on your own. Then you can do 8th one, 9th one, and even 10th one I can give, which is sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Okay, coming to 7th one now, I'll just correct it here only. So those who could not complete or not clear, they can use this. This is all real numbers except -1. This is earlier pi by 4, no? Why did I write this? Minus pi by 4. Okay, those who copied this earlier, I think you should have written pi by 4 here, the 6th one solution. I might have written by mistake pi by 2. Okay. Then 2 theta is this only except minus pi by 4. This is 1 minus x by 1 plus x, which is 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta, tan pi by 4 minus theta, and pi by 4 minus theta also will belong to the same interval. This is pi by 2. Sorry.
Yes, sir. It should be pi by 2 only.
That is pi by 2, but this is same, right? Okay, within minus pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4, this is same. This is same. This is pi by 4 minus. This is also pi by 4 minus. These values will change. When is pi by 4 minus theta? It's between minus pi by 4 to pi by 2. When I equal to pi by 2, I'll get minus pi by 4. When I equal to minus pi by 4, I'll get pi by 2. Here, when I equate these two, minus pi by 4, and this will be minus pi by 2. So I should write reverse. Minus pi by 2 to minus pi by 2. Okay, here corresponding tan theta values are minus 1 to infinity. And here values are minus infinity to minus 1. So pi by 4 minus tan inverse x. Here tan inverse x minus 3 by 4. This is minus 1 to infinity. This is minus infinity to minus 1. This is minus tan inverse x. Okay, once again, in the previous 6th one, did I write plus tan inverse x here or minus tan inverse x?
Plus or less?
Less, sir.
Oh, at that time it is plus, so now it is minus. Okay, that's fine. Okay, good. Okay, so those who are done on their own, 7th one, have you got like this only?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Maybe Tuesday, Wednesday also I'll continue inverse trigonometry, discussing in the advanced material all the odd number questions. Okay, you can try even numbered questions in advanced material. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So today afternoon and tomorrow, if somebody want to prepare inverse trigonometry, you can start doing even numbers from advanced material. You may have some doubts, it's okay, but you can try, or you can revise mains once again. I think mains I taught all the questions in the class, so you want to redo them, you can do it also. Yeah, just one more thing. Some students are missing some classes due to genuine network issues, or they went out of station, something. When I'm asking them, some people they said that they are seeing the recordings and they are taking the notes. But quite a few people they said already Hemant is uploading the notes. We are just simply copying from that. Okay, whatever they missed. It's nice that they're copying the notes at least, but it's not so nice that they did not listen to the class. Okay. I'm taking so much trouble to record and then upload. It's a headache for me, waste of time. I have a lot of other things. Only for those 5-6 people who are genuinely missing, for them only I was recording them. Okay. If they are not hearing, what is the purpose? I might as well stop the recording. Okay. So those are missing the classes. Just copying the notes is not enough. You have to listen to the whole class. Something we tell orally, which they cannot be on the paper. You have to. So copying is not the main thing. Your understanding is the main thing, and also you should copy. Okay. Don't quote me wrong. Tell Satish sir told that understanding is the main thing. That's why I did not write notes. Okay, I'm saying understand and also write both.
Yes, sir. I'm also thinking of stopping that uploading on Drive, sir.
No, continue. It is useful for some people. Okay, you do it. I'm not saying people should not look at it, because some people have some issues.
Not practical every time, sir.
Okay. Okay, 8-1. Sine inverse 2x root 1 minus x square. Obviously, let sine inverse x equal to theta, where x belongs to closed interval -1 to 1 and theta belongs to closed interval -π/2 to π/2. Obviously, x is equal to sine theta now, and starting with the question, 2x root 1 minus x square, sine inverse 2 sine theta root over 1 minus sine square theta, which is sine inverse 2 sine theta. Root over 1 minus sine square theta is not cos theta, it is actually mod cos theta. But within this -π/2 π/2, it is positive. That's why I can remove the mod and write sine inverse 2 sine theta cos theta, which is sine 2 theta. Okay, so now coming to here, if theta belongs to this, 2 theta belongs to -π to π. So between -π to π, sine inverse has three formulas, because the formula changes at -π/2 and π/2. -π/2 to π/2 one formula, after π/2 one formula, before -π/2 another formula. So I should write three things here. It is 2 theta. If 2 theta belongs to -π/2 to π/2, and it is 2 theta, no, it is pi minus 2 theta if 2 theta is beyond π/2 to pi, and here it is minus 2 theta minus pi if 2 theta belongs to -π to -π/2. Okay, so this is equivalent to theta belongs to minus pi by 2 to minus pi by 4, which is equivalent to sine theta belonging to minus 1 to minus 1 by root 2. This is theta belongs to minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, which is equivalent to sine theta, which belongs to minus 1 by root 2 to 1 by root 2. This is equivalent to theta belongs to pi by 4 to pi by 2. This is equivalent to sine theta belongs to 1 by root 2 to 1. Okay, so finally it is minus 2 sine inverse x minus pi, 2 sine inverse x, pi minus 2 sine inverse x. This is if x belongs to minus 1 to minus 1 by root 2. This is if x belongs to minus 1 by root 2 to 1 by root 2. This is if x belongs to 1 by root 2 to 1. Okay, later on ninth one also will come quite similar. Lavanya, are you able to follow all these things?
Yes, sir, I am listening.
Okay. Okay, so these formulas I am not asking you to by heart. If you understand how to derive and these cases here, how did they come up? Whenever required, you can derive quickly. Okay, the purpose of spending so much time deriving is not to remember the formula, to understand whenever required you can derive. Okay, eighth one, those are completed on their own. Have you got the same answers? The intervals?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody completed ninth one?
So doing, sir.
Doing, sir.
Yes, sir, doing.
Okay. Okay, I'm erasing this 8th one. Anybody needs more time? Okay, see, 9th one is very easy. I completed so fast. I thought many of these things, as you're writing, you're able to understand. So that's why I'm not explaining. But if somebody has doubt, I'm ready to explain the whole thing or any part of it. Krishna Teja, you're able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pradeep Kumar, are you writing notes properly? Everybody should write dates. Many people are not writing dates. That day when you start class notes or homework, anything, you should write that day's date in that note. Okay, and we'll complete 10th one also. Then we'll stop so that we can start with that one little fresh.
Sir,
Yes, please.
can you explain the third step, sir?
This part.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sin inverse sin 3 theta, where 3 theta is between minus 270 degrees to 270 degrees. I cannot cancel and write 3 theta because 3 theta should be within the principal values. If you look at sin inverse sin formulas, okay, sin inverse sin theta, when you wrote the formula sin inverse sin x, when x is between minus 90 to 90, it is x only. When x is more than 90 up to 270, it is pi minus x. And when x is minus 90 backwards up to minus 270, it is minus x minus pi. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, based on those formulas, minus 270 to 270, I made three parts: minus 270 to minus 90, minus 90 to 90, 90 to 270. Between 90 to 270, this is a formula for sin inverse sin x, which is pi minus x. X become 3 theta. Minus 90 to 90 principal value, so directly 3 theta cancel. When 3 theta is between minus 90 to minus 270, the sin inverse sin x formula is minus x minus pi, and that x is 3 theta. And if 3 theta is within this, divide with 3, theta is between what to what, then apply sin theta is between what to what. You can understand all of them. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, last one in this 10th one. Sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Let x is equal to tan theta, or you can say tan inverse x is theta. Where x belongs to R and theta belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Later on we will need this. 2 theta belongs to minus pi to pi. So here I'll get x equal to tan theta. And sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square is sin inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, which is sin 2 theta. Minus 2 theta minus pi, 2 theta, pi minus 2 theta. Between minus pi to pi open interval, so I have to take minus pi open here. Minus pi by 2 closed. This is closed. This is pi open. Corresponding theta is between minus pi by 2 to minus pi by 4 with minus pi by 2 open. And corresponding tan theta is between minus infinity to minus 1. Here tan theta is minus 1 to 1. Here tan theta is from 1 to infinity. This is minus 2 tan inverse x minus 5. This is 2 tan inverse x. This is also 2 tan inverse x. This is minus infinity to minus 1.
Sir,
So
after
those are
2 equal minus 2 minus 2 theta minus pi. If 2 theta equals minus pi to minus pi by 2. Minus pi should be open bracket, no, sir?
That's what I'm saying. When many times I'm writing the closed here, closed here. One may say, why it is defined at two places? What does it mean is, whether you take here or here, this both will give same answer.
No, sir. Minus pi should be open, no, sir.
Oh, this will show. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Anyway, just if I put minus pi by 2, it's going to be minus pi. Two theta minus pi. Yeah, this minus pi and this plus pi are open. Similarly, here and these are open. Here, these are open. Okay, so those who tried on their own, they got same answers.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.